Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So I think some of you guys are having a little bit problems with the leaf propagations. Now I think that is mainly because of environmental reasons, most probably, because you can see these are my Graptosedum ghosty that when I was doing the stem cutting of this Graptosedum ghosty, remember I'd taken out some of the leaves. It's been 2 weeks and you can see within 2 weeks itself they are doing extremely well. Again, as you can see, this is a wooden stand, so I had left the leaf propagations on this wooden stand because this is where they do not come in contact with any moisture or any kind of rainwater. Apart from that, this place gets a good amount of indirect bright light, no direct sunlight, but a good amount of indirect bright light. And you can see the leaf propagations have already started to put out pups. Some of them already have pups. You can see this one over here has pup and roots. Some of them only have roots. So just in 2 weeks time frame, you can see how well they're doing, and all of the mother leaves are very healthy. They do not have any wrinkling or they do not have any rotting as of now, but you can see they're doing quite well. So I think this all depends upon your environment and climate, because I'm not very sure what kind of environment you have. My environment right now has completely changed because it is monsoon season. It tends to rain a lot, so the humidity levels have increased a lot, but as long as you keep them safe, they will do quite well. I haven't used any soil over here. I haven't used any rooting hormone. I have just took the leaves and kept them on this wooden stand, and you can see within 2 weeks they have started to put out roots and pups. Now of course I can put them into the soil, but I'll just wait for some more days because it has been raining a lot and all of my soil mix is completely wet. So I'm just going to let these guys rest over here for some more days, because if I'm going to put them out right now, there is a lot of rain. The mother leaves will come in contact with rain and they might happen to start rotting, so I do not want to take that chance. So I'm just leaving them over here for time being. You can see they are still very healthy. It's just like a matter of days. Probably in another 2 or 3 days the rains might reduce a little bit, and then I will transfer them to soil because the roots are already starting to show up. I can't keep them out for very long time. Probably another 4 or 5 days I can leave them like this, because there is a lot of humidity in the environment. The roots are taking up water from the environment. They're taking up the moisture from the air. But again, I can't keep them for a very long time over here. Another 4 or 5 days I'll transfer them to soil. Probably by then the soil mix should get dried, and then I can place them on that, because again it is going to be the same mix of coco peat and 50% coco peat and 50% garden soil. That is what they will be laying on. So, and this is the stem cutting that the pup separation from the mother stem that I had done yesterday. It's doing quite well. Again, it's kept in a place where it doesn't come in contact with any moisture or rainwater. Same thing with the mother plant as well. We have kept it safe. As I said, there were cuts on the stem when we separated the pup, so we do not want that to come in contact with any water. So guys, that's all about it. The maximum what I can say is wait for the environment to get a little bit pleasant, only then go ahead and do a propagation. Otherwise the same thing, it will start to rot or start having issues. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep propagating.